Welcome to the Product Management Academy. This comprehensive course is designed to guide you through the entire product lifecycle, from initial idea to launch and scaling, across 8 modules and 40 episodes. In this program, you will gain practical, structured knowledge to help you think like a product leader. Over 12 hours, you'll move past buzzwords into actionable, hands-on learning. Module 1 focuses on building your foundation. Our goal here is to help you understand what great product managers actually do by developing a sharp, reliable mental model for decision-making. Episode 1 tackles a fundamental question. What really is a product? Many think they know, but being able to define it clearly is the key to guiding every decision you make as a PM. This first episode serves a dual purpose. It's not about memorizing textbook definitions, but rather establishing a durable mindset that you will use throughout your career to assess every product decision. To understand the product mindset, use this 3-part check. Does it serve a specific user? Does it solve a real, painful problem? Can you track its success with measurable outcomes? Confusion often arises when we mix up products, features, projects, and services. Clear vocabulary is essential for effective teamwork and minimizing conflict. Let's define them precisely. A product is a standalone offering. A feature is a capability within that product. A project is a time-bounded effort. And a service relies on people and process. The most vital shift is moving from a project mindset, which focuses on shipping outputs, to a product mindset, which focuses on solving problems and generating positive user outcomes. A common trap is falling in love with your solution instead of the problem. Great PMs remain obsessed with the problem, as it is the only way to ensure the product truly fits the user. Why do smart people fall into this solution trap? Because solutions feel concrete. Organizations often prioritize output, and confirmation bias can make early, shallow validation feel like proof. Before you write a PRD or talk to engineering, you must be able to clearly answer, who is this for, what problem does it solve, and how do we know it's working? If you cannot provide a specific, vivid answer to these questions, it is a red flag. Vague answers usually mean the product is not ready and may fail to serve any user well. In our live teardown, we apply these tests to real-world examples, such as food delivery apps and internal tools, to help you see how these frameworks work in practice. For instance, a food delivery app's success often hinges on product decisions, like choosing to own the logistics layer rather than just adding features. It is these core decisions that drive long-term growth. Let's apply these lessons live. The 3-question test requires precision, defining a specific user, identifying a real problem, and selecting a measurable outcome. Vague answers are a warning sign that you are building, but not yet managing, a product. Consider an internal Slack bot. It saves time on manual ticket triage. But is it a product? Only if it has a dedicated owner, a clearly defined user, measurable metrics, and a loop for iterating on feedback. The same logic applies to physical products. Whether you are building software or hardware, you must still answer who it's for, what problem it solves, and how you will measure its success. Ultimately, these teardowns teach us that the product mindset is a discipline, not a job title. It's about ownership, intent, and consistently questioning if your work solves a real problem. Our durable mental model keeps you grounded. By starting with the problem, knowing your user, measuring outcomes, and iterating based on evidence, you ensure you're always building the right thing. Early PM careers often hit the same traps: building for yourself, confusing features with strategy, or lacking a clear success metric. Avoiding these is the first step toward mastery. Now it's your turn. Apply the 3-question test to an app or tool you use daily. Practice auditing the owner and defining the success metrics yourself. Your reasoning will improve with every attempt. Why does this matter? Without a clear foundation, prioritization becomes random, roadmaps become wish lists, and team alignment suffers. A clear definition transforms these into strategic, outcomes-based work. This episode is our operating system. Every future module, from research to strategy and scaling, builds directly upon the product mindset we've established here today. Never underestimate the power of language. As a PM, precise definitions are your infrastructure for trust and clarity. Being able to explain exactly what you mean reduces expensive rework for everyone. To summarize, maintain the product mindset, know your specific user, define success before you build, and stay relentlessly attached to the problem, not your initial solution. This thinking isn't limited to PMs. Engineers, designers, and marketers who apply product thinking become invaluable. It's not a job description, it's a commitment to the people you serve. Up next, in Episode 2, we answer the big question: what does a PM actually do all day? We will debunk common myths and map out various PM career paths. Expect a deep dive into the daily reality of PM work, the common myths like the mini CEO label that often cause failure, and a realistic view of how career paths actually unfold. Your foundation is set. As you proceed through our modules, remember that every complex skill we discuss later relies on the mindset you've developed in this first foundational episode. This program was brought to you by the Series of Thoughts team. Welcome to the Product Management Academy. This course is a collaboration between Series of Thoughts and Technovative AI. We've designed a curriculum that turns complex professional concepts into actionable, real-world skills, ensuring every lesson helps you build, think, and succeed as a PM. This course is built for you, whether you are an aspiring PM looking for a solid foundation, a bootcamp student needing practical, intense application, or a cross-functional teammate aiming to bridge the gap between design, engineering, and product strategy. To get the most out of this video, watch, apply, and reflect. The exercises provided are short, but designed to force you to apply concepts to your own projects. That reflection loop is where the true learning happens. We avoid fluff and unnecessary jargon. Our goal is clarity, giving you one thing to think about differently by the end of each video, and one thing you can apply immediately in your next meeting. Let's begin. Your product career starts with one question. What problem are you actually trying to solve, and how will you know when you've solved it? Module 1, Episode 1 is now available to start your journey.